Hello, welcome back guys to Motorola channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to non-activate developer option on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open the settings first. And then in the settings page, you just have to find out the developer options. Here I'm going to scroll it down until we'll find here at the bottom the system option. Tap on it. Now we go to this developer option. Just click it. And to non-activate, you just have to tap on the button beside use developer option. Here I'm going to tap on it one time. And it will be non-activate, yeah guys. So we go back. There are no developer option again in this system page. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video tutorial how to non-activate developer option on Motorola G06 Power. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.